What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on this crypto called Benqi, also known as just QI, which has pumped up over 130% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just over 3 cents. So we're going to be looking at why is it pumping so much, where is it heading to next, can it potentially hit 5 cents in December and head up to 10 cents in 2024. Going into 2024 as well, what can we expect from this crypto? Is this a must have in your wallet? So on and so on. And we are also going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is the crypto worth buying it right now? Is it too late? Or on the other hand, if you're on a profit, should you sell it and take out your profits, or should you simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And as you guys can see, the market has taken a little bit of a dip today, with Bitcoin dropping down 3%, down to about $42,000. And I did tell you guys there is a potential price correction coming soon in December for the crypto market, so it is in effect right now. But yeah, that's for another video. Back to Benqi. So as you guys can see, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Benqi, which is here in purple at just over 1 cent. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at over 3 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one is looking bearish. So what does this mean for Benqi? An overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. More or less, the crypto should be trading just about 3 cents or just below 3 cents over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, the crypto should essentially be hovering around just below 3 cents. However, I am expecting it to pump up a little bit higher over the coming hours. So over the next couple of hours, it should pump up over 0.035 cents, heading near about 4 cents before it slowly starts to drop back down to around 3 cents towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So do expect it to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking way too steep, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction, looking quite steep, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace as well. However, that is not the case. Over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting Benqi to have dropped back below the 2 cents target is what I'm expecting. So trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. However, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. We are likely to see green days in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a pump. But again, the overall outcome unfortunately seems to be more on the negative side. Only reason is the crypto is overvalued right now. It's done over 130% increase in the space of about not even 24 hours, about 20 hours or less, guys, meaning it's way overvalued, and its next target or its next move is to drop back down in value over the coming days. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks again, we got blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards a bullish direction. So once again, this is not realistic. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, so January, February time 2024, Benqi, I'm expecting it to be hitting around the 5 cents target, guys. Slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, but it's not going to be over 100% increase, because that would go to about 6 cents. So less than 100% increase is what I'm expecting over the next approximately 2.5 months from this crypto. But before it goes through that, it is likely to drop back down below 2 cents, as I mentioned earlier on, and then slowly and steadily gain value all the way up to about 5 cents in target by late January, early February 2024. So again, do expect it to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be positive, especially that I'm also expecting the crypto market to be moving towards a bullish direction once the price correction occurs over the next week or two. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale. We are still trading in the red zone, guys, and as you guys can see, we are literally getting closer to the green zone here. We need to hit about 5 cents to hit the green zone, which I'm expecting it to hit early next year. So let's keep it as Q1, quarter one of 2024 is when I'm expecting Benqi to be heading into the green zone. But before that, it is going to have to resist a little bit before it heads up to the 5 cents target. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 1,000% in the last 24 hours, making it $254 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading, as it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, or in fact, it is the top gainer. Let's have a look here. Yes, it is, guys. According to Binance, Benqi is the top gainer in the last 24 hours, meaning yes, it is getting a lot of attention right now, a lot of hype around it, a lot more people are trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning it is getting a lot of traction, and also this helps the value of Benqi pump up in value as well. So 10 cents. When is Benqi likely to hit 10 cents? Before I give you guys my take on that, let me know what month and what year are you guys expecting this crypto to hit 10 cents. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So zooming into the daily chart here, 10 cents, I'm expecting it to hit in the second half of next year, guys. To some of you guys, that may be very soon. Some of you guys may be very late, because you might be expecting it way before that. But we're going to have to give it enough time, and it has to be a sustainable project as well. So essentially, it should drop back down to 2 cents, below 2 cents over the coming days, and then slowly and steadily gain value. Of course, it is going to have red days or red weeks even in between, but as long as the overall outcome is positive, it's all good. So second half of next year is when I'm expecting Benqi to be hitting the 10 cents target. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on this crypto, guys. Comment down below your predictions for 2024. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.